Hi. In this video we will see that how can we fix this error whenever we're trying to install or customize some versions or extensions from EasyApache4 in our WHM. First we need to log into our server as root via SSH client. After that we need to log in these two commands one by one. You can copy these commands from the link provided in the description of this video. After that we need to reboot our server. Now it may take a few seconds or a minute for restarting the server, so till that we need to wait for a while. Till the time it's showing this site can't be reached. Error means our server has not yet been booted. Now as you can see, the server has successfully rebooted, so now you can see the error is also gone. And you can proceed provisioning with your selected installations. The provisioning process is complete, and this is how you can resolve that update error. Thank you for your time.